I stand all alone. Clouds are gathered in black, 'cause there's no turning back from the eye of the storm. And it feels like rain burning in my soul. Yes, it feels like rain. Lord, don't ever let go. Once I heard a man boast about the power of the Holy Ghost that seems so far away now. Someone said to me, faith can make a blind man see. Oh Lord of faith, where are you now? I had a sermon blow my mind. Yes, you know the kind. The message cut right through to my soul. That preacher, he set my soul on fire. Now serving God's my one desire. Obeying His word is my only goal. Oh, it seems to me since all but a memory, since Jesus' blood, He cleansed my soul. God's love's forever mine, like an eternal Valentine, lifting me up and making me whole. Yes, it feels like rain, cleansing my soul. Yes, it feels like rain. Lord, don't ever let go. Lord, I will preach your word till every man is heard about your soul cleansing power. How my heart was black and cold till your light came shining bold down from that wooden tower. Your blood can cleanse the blackest heart, break the prison walls apart, stand with outstretched arms and cry sharp. I'm never going back into the devil's prison black, 'cause I've got that Holy Ghost power. Yes, it feels like rain, washing clean my soul. Yes, it feels like a cleansing fire, burning down in my soul. Yes, it feels